Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today I'm going to show you my online exclusives that I received. These actually turned up while I was on the incentive trip, and when I got back from the incentive trip I wasn't very well. You can still hear that I've got quite the nasty cold. It's lingering in my voice and nose more than anything. Thankfully I am now back to work, but yeah, so I am just about getting around to showing these to you. These will go live at the beginning of July, so I wanted to show them to you. So we've got quite a few suites. So the July online exclusives, there's loads and loads and loads and loads. There's Christmas stuff, there's Halloween stuff, there is summery stuff, and the sun is absolutely streaking through my blind. So hopefully it's going to go and not distract. So I thought I'd show you the bits that I bought. Okay, so I have got a bundle in here. So this is Simply Leaves, and if you saw my swaps video the other day, I did end up with one of these on. So Stampin' Up gives us the opportunity to go to our hospitality suite, which is where everybody gathers each day anyway, when they're not on excursions and things, and you can spin a wheel there to win one of 3 prizes each day. And I won a second one of these, so I now have 2. And the matching punch, so that will match with all of these and these bits, so I'm very excited for that. And then stitched stockings, so that's the dies that go with it. And if you'll notice, we're now making sure that the wording is written across the top, whereas previously it hasn't. Let me find a bundle I can share with you. So this is Bordered in Beauty, and previously it had that, and then Bordered in Beauty was written quite small down there. Now it's big on both parts, so the dies to match the stamps, and they go with paper, which is down here. But yeah, so I've got that as a bundle. I need to buy some more binder clips, I think. Woodland Wishes, how cute is that? Oh, I'm going to see myself having quite a lot of fun doing all of colouring in of this. So sweet, so sweet. I don't think that comes with anything. No, so that's just a standalone stamp. Let's see how big the stamp is. Ooh, huge. Is it the same size? Yes. Oh, no, it's actually no, it's bigger. It is actually bigger. The stamps are slightly larger than that, but still, that's definitely filling a card. Isn't it? I want that way around. Okay. So that's lovely. Love that. And then Merriest tags with the matching punches. Just so sweet. How pretty. And sort of, I think I want to word it a little bit sketchy, as in hand-drawn. Not sort of perfect all the way round. Lovely though. Holly jolly. Oh, fabulous. And then White Gable boxes. So these will pop up to make boxes, and I'm assuming I got these as part of a big suite. Don't quote me on that though. These darling little adhesive backed blooms. Aren't they pretty? Very sweet. Those will be going with the violet something or other that's down there. So we've got paper here, and actually we've got snips back, but these are called detail scissors, so they're not snips. They're called detailed scissors. But I'm going to have a look and see just. Oh, they are. The handle is slightly different. But otherwise, just the same. So it's good to have snips back. And you know what? Let's use this new one to open this paper. Oh, so this one is called A Stitched Season. So it's obviously very detailed on one side, plain on the other. Those are, I think they're cardinals. We don't have cardinals in the UK. I don't know if we have cardinals in mainland Europe. We may do. I don't know. Christmas trees with the sort of stitched, it's like a cross stitch on the back there. I remember making eiderdowns and things and patchwork. Oh, I love those little flowers. In this sort of design in the late 80s. Laura Ashley, anybody? Laura Ashley fat squares. They were a thing, and I can remember going into Laura Ashley with my mum and just spending ages buying. Not are they fat squares, fat quarters, rather. And I used to put them together. I didn't do the sewing. I can't sew anything. I can sew a button and just about sew a hem. I can sew a hem with Bunderweb or Wanderweb, whatever whatever it's known as, where you're from. It's iron on, but I could stitch on a button. But yeah, I can remember buying them with Mum, and she would ask me to organise the colours and stuff in this patchwork design. I might show this to her and ask her where memory lane takes her straight away. I don't know where to put this now. I've run out of space. Over there. This one, so I did get one of these in my gift from Stampin' Up, and this is the In Colour Gingham. And to be fair, when they had it up as an option, you know, because there were 3 prizes, one of 3 prizes you could win each day, I went, oh, I don't have that. It's because it hadn't arrived. So it's big gingham one side, smaller gingham on the other, in the 5 in colours. I didn't recognise it because it was so new. I did know I had ordered this, and I might have already got it. I might have won a second on the Spin the Wheel prize. So this is Violet Dreams. So we've got a full-blown suite coming with this in the online exclusives. So we've got very detailed one side and simpler on the others, except that isn't plain stripes. I doubt you can see it, but there's little sort of speckles, maybe down in the bottom right hand corner. There's like speckles in the stripe. I love this. Anything on black and I'm a happy girl. Flowers on a black background, just lovely. Ooh, tone on tone. I did a tone on tone gift box the other day. Did you see it? It was like a gable end. That's just very nice, very elegant, very sort of English country garden. I don't know if you can see, it's got a diamond pattern between. Again, if I tip that, if you look in the right-hand corner or the right-hand side, you can see it. And then the plain floral on the back. And again, this sort of diamond lattice work. You see that? And then on the back, ooh, black spots. And so, yeah, I have 2 packs of that. And then, again, just sharing again, I did get these on the Spin the Wheel with Stampin' Up. I'm assuming these are online exclusives. I genuinely don't know. But they were, all of the gifts seem to be online exclusives. So I'm assuming they are Sweet Foliage in stamp set. Let's have a look at the size of that one. Ooh, quite big. So again, a little bit bigger than the stamped image. And then the embossing folder with the swirl that's very much like my Sentimental Swirls, which was my Million Sales Achiever stamp set. And I should share, actually. I'm now at 1.5 million, which I'm utterly delighted at. And thank you ever so much to everybody who has shopped with me to get me there. It's made my day. So yeah, these are my online exclusives that I ordered and I received. And yeah, happy to share all of those with you. So these are live at the beginning of July. I'm trying to think where we are. I have no idea which month we're in. We're in June. I left in May and returned in June. And, you know, just all very confused, bodily confused. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. I hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.